Good morning, guys. I'll be doing my exhaust. To apply the exhaust, I'll be doing the Valvetronic system with heart-shaped exhaust tip. So the exhaust tip took like a week to arrive. I'll be flagging, so come with me. So I'm actually late. Not late, but I should have... No, whatever. Whatever. You know what? Whatever. My appointment is at 10, so yeah. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. I'll see you there. See you. Hey guys, so I'm here already. STH exhaust specialist, I don't know. Yeah, I just know that the name is STH. Here I am at the STH exhaust. So I datang, lepas tu terus park my car and I think they will start to do it. Yeah, I'm quite nervous because this is my first time mod my car. So macam wish me luck. Tak apalah, experience, right? I hope everything will went well. So a week ago, I go to this kedai and see if they got the heart-shaped exhaust tip, and macam tak ada ready stock. So I need to order and wait for 7 days, almost a week lah nak sampai. So ni lah yang ada, yang ready stock yang macam boleh buat terus kan. But I don't want. I want it heart-shaped. Like what do you mean? I want it heart-shaped. Yeah, I tak tengok lagi. Oh, I think this one. Oh yeah, I think this one. This is my exhaust. Yeah! Yeah, this is the exhaust. So the Valvetronic Exhaust dia ada 3. So I ambil yang rear punya kat bahagian belakang je, bukan full system. So Valvetronic Exhaust ni dia boleh on and off. Dia ada remote lah, tapi I tak include dalam video. So macam boleh on, boleh off. If I want it to be comfortable, I'll turn it off. If I want it to be loud and garang, I'll turn it on. Bro, I'm so happy and excited. I don't know how to describe it, but I love it. I love the exhaust so much. I probably will head home and get my work done. I'm waiting for my banana chocolate balls. I got KFC. I'm gonna eat my lunch afterwards. Oh, my banana chocolate balls are here.
Terima kasih.
Banana chocolate balls. I'm eating KFC. Tadi I ordered the banana chocolate balls and got free Coke. Oh, wait, sayang. Sos baru dah. Oh my! I had my lunch just now and then I took a nap. Oh, I have work, but I'll do later. But I tak sabar nak bawa the kereta because I want to, you know, feel the exhaust. So I excited nak share with my brother about it. So I'm fetching my siblings today. This is my perfume. I tak tukar baju apa, pakai je baju ni. I mean, I didn't do anything, so I'm not sweaty. Maybe I am sweaty, but not smelly. Okay. Okay. Like, get it. You get it. By the way, this is the new camera I got. I got masa dekat Rex KL. It's really cute. It's giving the old vibe, aesthetic. Lol. So, jom kita dengar starting the engine. That's loud. Bergegar weh. Weh, bergegar. Ah! Macam mana nak drive ni? Belum start je dah bergegar. Ayo, chill. Ayo, chill. The camera is like what is that melody? Well, life is good. Angin. Jadi, apakah pendapat Tamara dengan exhaust baru kakak?
Comel!
Apakah pendapat abang tentang exhaust baru kakak?
Gila men. Apa? Exhaust dia cantik gila. Exhaust dia 5 bintang.
100.
Wow. Oh, inilah budak-budak sekolah. Budak-budak sekolah. Apa soalan yang lagi susah daripada soalan SPM?
Soalan matematik.
Dah kahwin belum?
Bukan lah. Nak makan apa?
Soalan universiti.
sampai di sini saja vlog kita. Bateri aku dah nak habis. Tu. So kena cakap bye-bye dulu. Bye-bye.
Kahwin. Bye-bye.
Ayah, mama nak kahwin.
Ya.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Cicak goreng, cicak goyang. Cicak goyang.
Okay.
Cicak goyang. Ni dekat apa? TV3?
Ha, TV3.
Mak saya masuk TV.
Yeay, kita ada TV.
Netflix.
Namanya apa tak?
2-3 kucing berlari.
Tiga adik beradik.
Protect our planet.
Do you think we are real?